Project characteristics, key elements in a project. Even though each project is distinguishable, its framework, execution, and accomplishment are influenced by specific project characteristics.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Crucial factors impact project outcomes, from definition and scope and to resources and timetables. Team members can plan more successfully, risk avoidance, and achieve absolutely project objectives more quickly when they are aware of these characteristics. What are the key elements of project characteristics in project management? As understood from the Project Versus Program Management article, a project is said to be a series of tasks or activities that must be completed in a sequence in order to achieve the final product as planned or as scheduled. What is project management? Project management is the set of techniques and methods used and applied to make a project successfully deliver the desired or planned product. The methods and techniques used also involve resource management, time management, scheduling, and many other important concepts. Now, coming back to the project characteristics, it is important to understand the characteristics of a working project to have a clear idea of its behavior when in progress. No project in the organization shares the same characteristics as another, and the characteristics of each project are what distinguish them from each other. Project characteristics. As discussed earlier, every project is bound by its own limits and is differentiated by its own project characteristics. Clearly understanding the characteristics of a project helps you identify the project objectives. This, in turn, helps the management team decide the scope of the project and list out all the resources that will be required. Project objectives. It is important for any project to first have its goals and objectives decided. Defining project objectives makes project team members have a clear idea of how to proceed and what to achieve with the project tasks and activities. Objectives are the key characteristics of any project that help you analyze the progress of the project. Tracking the progress and regularly analyzing the results shows how much of the project has been accomplished. With this, it becomes easier to determine the resources required for further activities. Time. Every project is assigned or designed with certain deadlines and milestones. No matter the type of project, every project is indiscriminately time-bound. To ensure that the project team works independently on necessary project tasks, project managers plan out the tasks and activities based on the resources available and the capabilities of the team and team members. Teams with fresher members are given significant time to understand the project objectives and work on them, while teams with more experienced members are only provided with enough time. Project managers must also make sure that the allotted time, when summed up, does not exceed the total time allotted for the project. Life cycle. Every project has its life cycle for completion, such as initiation, beginning, planning, execution, growth, controlling, and closing. These stages perfectly describe how the project must be executed. Depending on the type of project, characteristics of project life cycle phases may vary. Defining these phases for a project depends on how the goals and objectives of the project are derived. Project objectives help in carrying out the tasks and activities towards the succession of the project, while its life cycle phases keep the project tasks actively moving towards succession. Possible conflicts. For becoming a project manager, one of the key skills required is conflict resolution. Irrespective of the project type or its field, the occurrence of conflicts and risks is uncontrollable. Not properly defining the project results in high risks and conflicts. Utilizing the information available can help reduce the occurrence of risks and conflicts. With this, project managers can ensure every project team and its members work more productively and present more effectively. Flexibility. To make any project work as intended, it is important to take part in the changes that occur within its life cycle. Project managers must also ensure to schedule every project task as flexibly as possible to give team members enough time to adapt to changes and cope with the tasks as scheduled. The more flexibility in the schedule, the better the results concerning the changes. Team spirit. Just like the project is comprised of different characteristics, the same goes for the team. Every team member is capable of different project characteristics. With the help of a team with good team spirit, the project can reciprocate according to the objectives set for each project. This also helps in reducing the time taken to process the tasks and activities since every project team member is working cumulatively.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.